Hey guys, today we got 2008 Chevy Aveo and customer states they are not getting good brakes. So upon checking we find out the car brake pads are done. So we are replacing the brake pad for 2008 Chevy Aveo. So let's start. So we already removed the tires. After removing the tire, you have to remove these two bolts. These are 14 bolts. So upon removing the bolts, you can just take out that caliper out. Once the caliper is out, you can just take the brake pad out like this, and on the other side too. So both side pads are out, so we are taking this pin out because we are changing these ones too. Once these pin are out, we're gonna clean that area a little bit and put new pin over there. And we have to take these one out. These are the sliding pins, so we're gonna put some grease into it. As you can press, these are going back to their original position, so we're gonna take them out and do some greasing on these two. And you guys have to make sure these are going back to their original position. If they are not going back, it means they are stuck, and that's why your car gonna you're gonna damage your brake pad. So you have to make sure these are going back to their original position. So once you guys are done to greasing these pins, right, after that you guys have to put these pins, the new ones, over there. And today we are replacing our brake pad with the AC Delco Advantage disc brake pad. These are ceramic one which we got it from Amazon. And yeah, so after putting these pins, these are the brake pads, right? And you have to put some grease over there and put it over there, yeah, like this. So let's do it. So next step is we have to put that piston back so that we can put it on this one, because these are the new brake pads. So piston should be all the way to the back so that we can put it on that. To do this, we don't have any special tool. We are using some clamps. So we're gonna put our old brake pad here like this, and just hold on and put that clamp like this, and we're gonna rotate it, and it's gonna tight, right? And it helps to get piston back. And second thing, while doing this, we have to open the brake fluid cap so that all the fluid which comes back. So because when we putting piston back, the fluid level gonna come up, so it can easily go out, and we don't have to put so much pressure on that. So you have to keep that open and put brake pad over there and tight it, and piston will go back. So let's do it. So once you are done with the caliper piston back, you have to put caliper over there, and you can tighten these 14 screws, and that's it. That's how you can change your brake pads. After that, we're gonna put tire on that, and same process you can do for the other side of the car. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.